Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to take a loan from PalmPay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get a loan from PalmPay, first you need to activate your PalmPay account and mobile banking. Then you can either use your PalmPay app or simply dial *652# to access the loan section. So first of all, simply activate your PalmPay account and your mobile banking and ensure that you have an Android device, as this is only accessible in this Android app. So now using the PalmPay app, simply navigate to the loan section within the app and then fill in the required details, including your personal information and bank details. After this, once your loan is approved, you will be able to withdraw the funds to your PalmPay account as explained on screen. So once you follow all the on-screen instructions, you will be able to borrow certain amounts of money from your PalmPay according to your credit. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.